Welcome back to Adaptivities, Live and Learn vlogs, bringing you easy and quick solutions to everyday problems every second and fourth Tuesday of the month, like getting unstuck, completing small tasks, and actually showering in the shower, and so much more. Today's episode is about completing small tasks in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Grab an iPad or a tablet and then click on the Memo app. Step 2. Type out the list of tasks for the day. Don't forget to add the circle before each task. All right, so today is
WEDNESDAYSCHEDULE.
Okay, let's do the circle. And so first we have, what do we have today?
MORNING GROUP.
So morning group, and then after morning group is break.
BREAK.
And then after break is
MUSIC.
And then after music, I think we have email.
EMAIL to DR period ROBIN.
Okay, then after that we'll have, let's do math. And then after math, let's play a game.
PLAYGAME.
And then we'll end with Miss Sarah for speech.
SARAH. SPECH.
And then lunch.
THENLUNCH.
Okay, so that's our schedule for today. Step 2, click the circle after each task is complete. It serves as a visual aid that we are done. So you can check off. All right, and now you can have a little break. By the way, don't forget to add breaks between 3 or 4 activities. Go to our schedule.
Yes.
Check off break. What's next?
Music.
Okay.
And Michael's.
Sweet. And don't forget the blue arrow. Excellent. Music and emails. Done. So we finished. What's next?
Speech with Miss Joanna.
Okay. Miss Joanna?
Yes.
Not Miss Joanna.
Miss Sarah.
Miss Sarah. Okay.
Ding now.
Let's join.
Let me get it. It's gross. It's bare. Oh.
Nailed it.
On Kiana.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh.
Let's go to our schedule, please. Okay, what's next?
Lunch.
All right. Awesome. Great day. And step 3, give a physical or verbal reward, such as a special edible treat, screen time, outdoor play, or simple great job done. And that's it for our Completing Small Tasks vlog episode. Don't forget to tune in on our 4th Tuesday for tying your shoes without tying your shoes. Hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to follow Adaptivities2 on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See you next time. Bye.